In this video, I'll show you how to display FPS on a PC or laptop using an on-screen display. Check my video description for this MSI Afterburner. Select this final option and it will start downloading. To use this, you don't need any MSI motherboard or graphics card. Select this folder icon, right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select extract to. After extract and open the extracted folder, double click on the application. Uncheck this not than 364 gamer and select install. Select yes option. Select language and select OK. Select next. Accept and select next. Make sure you check this RivaTuner static server and select next. Select next again. Install. Select the OK option and install this RivaTuner static server. Accept next. Install. Select the finish option. And now show readme, uncheck and select finish. Once this MSI Afterburner opens up, and you don't need to overclock your GPU to use this on-screen FPS, select the setting icon, select the monitoring tab, and select the GPU temp and select show on-screen display. In my case, as you can see, it says GPU 1 usage and GPU 2 usage. To find your dedicated GPU, press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together to open up Task Manager. Go to Performance, and in my case, as you can see, GPU 1 is my dedicated GPU. After finding this, just close tab here. GPU 1 usage, select the option and select Show in on-screen display. And now scroll down. RAM usage, select the RAM usage and select Show on-screen display. Frame rate, select the frame rate. This tick mark over here, select the tick mark and select Show in on-screen display. CPU temperature, select the CPU temperature and select Show in on-screen display. And find the CPU usage, select the CPU usage and select Show in on-screen display. And now everything is set to on-screen. Select this Apply to Save Changes option. Just click on OK and close stuff here. And now go to search menu and type RivaTuner. Click on Open the RivaTuner status server and select Yes. And click on the system tray, double click on the RivaTuner status server. RivaTuner overlay will opens up. Show on screen display, make sure it is turned on. You can increase the size of the overlay, just on screen display zoom, and you can just grab the 60 and set to the center of the screen and select close to save it. Before opening any game, open the MSI Afterburner. And now just minimize this and it will be in system tray, as you can see. Now you can launch any game. Once you are in game, you can see the FPS overlay on the top, and this will show on any game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.